Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with a product that aims to change the game: the Grip Flip Silicone Spatula Spoon Tongs Kitchen Multi-Tool. This Kickstarter project promises to combine 3 essential kitchen tools into one, so I was eager to see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and the Grip Flip definitely makes a good one. It's sleek, modern, and feels surprisingly sturdy for a silicone utensil. The design is clever and intuitive, with the spatula seamlessly flipping into tongs and the spoon nestled in the handle. But functionality is the true test. I spent a few weeks cooking with the Grip Flip, and I have to say it's been a game changer. No more cluttered utensil drawer or scrambling for the right tool mid-recipe. The Grip Flip effortlessly handled flipping pancakes, scooping sauce, and grabbing hot vegetables without breaking a sweat. The silicone material is a major plus point. It's non-stick, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's gentle on your cookware, preventing scratches and ensuring your expensive pots and pans stay pristine. Beyond its practicality, the Grip Flip is also incredibly well-designed. It's comfortable to hold, even for extended periods, and the weight feels balanced and secure in your hand. Small details like the integrated measuring marks and the built-in stand add to its overall functionality and user-friendliness. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Grip Flip. It's a truly innovative product that combines functionality, convenience, and elegance. If you're looking to declutter your kitchen and simplify your cooking process, I highly recommend checking it out. As always, I'll leave a link to the Grip Flip Kickstarter campaign in the description below. This is a project I'm definitely backing, and I think it's worth checking out if you're looking to elevate your cooking experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and delicious recipes.